So hello and welcome to the Expat Pod, and welcome to the shorter version, which is the quick questions. So Anna, we've obviously recorded the full section of the podcast, which is already out, so you can listen to it. And now this is where I want to just ask some quick questions, which I ask all my guests now to just get a flavour of their experience abroad and get some advice from them, which has, it's been really good fun actually, been doing it so far. So I guess we can start. Obviously you're from Brazil and you're now living in Sweden. My first question is what's the favourite place you've lived?
Like I like here very much. I do, but my favorite place that I lived it was Resende.
And whereabouts is that in Brazil? Which part of Bresil is it?
Is it in the middle part?
So nowhere near the coast, nowhere near the Amazon? Or...
It's in a state called Rio de Janeiro.
Why was that your favourite place?
Because the weather there was nice, and I could wake up and go to work every day with checking the mountains. The nature there was so amazing. We have like a national park and 20 minutes from the place that I live. All the friends that I have there, also we always hang out together. So I think it was 2 years that I lived there, and it was really amazing.
Sounds like an amazing place to go. I might have to try and visit it one day. My next question is, what's your favourite international food?
It shouldn't be that hard.
Or do you only like Brazilian food?
Yeah.
I mean, you can say Argentinian steak if you want, because I know I've heard it's better.
Clearly, I prefer Brazilian food, but I will go for Mexican food in second place.
Yeah? And what about Mexican food is so good? Is it the flavors? Is it the culture around eating it?
Yeah, I think always when I eat it, it was in nice restaurants.
Perfect. And what's your favourite international tradition?
I think it's Sweden way of living, Lagoon.
Yeah. What about Lagom? Do you enjoy so much?
It's it's not too much and not too little of everything. Like this balance that you have for everything, for the work, for trip, to take care of yourself, to do everything in this balance. I bought a book. It is here also. So I think this balance is what I like the most.
And what's been your favourite thing about living abroad?
I think it's the freedom to visit, to go and to do what I want to do every weekend. Let's say it that way.
No, that's a very, very good point. I think having a chance to reinvent yourself. What's your best homesick remedy?
It's to call my mom and my friends.
I think it's a very, very good choice. Is there anything you're missing from Brazil, other than certain foods, like
besides my family and friends and the food, of course? I think I didn't realize that I missed that before I came back to Brazil again. It's just the feeling that you can go out during the night and just wearing t-shirts and shorts. You don't need to prepare yourself as you need here, and you can go out and drink and eat in the street with simple clothes. Don't need to prepare that much and no need to book anything and just go.
I never even considered that as a thing. That's really, really good. And what's the hardest thing about living abroad?
I think the hardest thing is not to be part of your daily routine for your family and closest friends.
The fear of missing out on birthdays and things as well, and
special events and so on.
Yeah. What's the best phrase you've learned since living abroad?
I think there's no bad weather. It's just bad clothes.
Do you believe in that?
uh, no, because it's still my face hurts.
What's the best way to make new friends abroad?
I think it's to go to a place that you like. For example, we like to play volleyball, and there we met a lot of people who like to play. And then if you like to dance, go to a dance class and go to the church, go to some bar that if you want like to sing, and go to the place that you like, and then you'll find people who like the same things that you like, and then you just become friends.
Yeah, that's very good. And what's your favorite thing to do in your new city? So in Gothenburg, what's your favorite thing to do?
I think it's just when the weather is good, I would say, or if it's like I consider it snow as a good weather. Like when it's snow and the sky is blue, I just like to go to the city center and for a walk, and go to Slottsskogen for a walk as well. Because yeah, it's amazing. Like it's really, really beautiful, the city.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know, Slottsskogen is a big park in the middle of a city, and I've never known of such a vast space to be so close to such life before. But I don't know if it's similar in Brazil, but to have such a big space full of nature is quite uncommon. And then my last question is, what's your best expat life hack?
I think it's check Ryanair app for the cheapest travel that you can go to.
And what's your favorite place you've been to with this hack?
Actually, I don't have a favorite one. I think every place that I travel to, it was special for a certain reason. But in the end, maybe I have like Vienna was so special for me. I think it was this.
You sound like I just asked you who's your favorite child, and they're all special.
Yeah, there are no, but there is.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for giving me your time again. And as always, if you did enjoy this, please do comment, please do get in touch, and please subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you next time for the Expat Pod.